Look at this, boys. Oh man.
Order filled.
Account passed. Just got into shorts off this 5 minute inversion here. Let me zoom into this price action here. No, you want those juicy lows down there? Probably not. Doesn't look like that's what it wants. Looks like it wants my stop loss.
Order filled.
Give me that. All right. We are happily break even. All right, we just took some partials there. We're gonna move this down. We hold the rest, boys. We hold the rest. Move this down a little bit more just in case, because I don't know exactly how much I need for this, but I think I need about 76. Okay, we'll do 84. I think 84 would do it. Look at this, boys. Oh man. Oh man, there we go. Oh yeah, look at them shorts, man.
Order filled.
Account passed. And there's the top set account, guys. So nice trade right there. You guys just saw that was the trade that passed this combine for me. Now let's get into what we're looking for today and why we were even looking for shorts and everything like this. We were looking at these previous day lows, right? Looking at these previous day lows, market opened and we shot into these previous day lows very aggressively. Now I usually like to trade inversions, so what I would look for is at these previous day lows, I would look for the market to change order flow with an inversion, and then I would have targeted these highs. But you can see how this market aggressively shot underneath this liquidity. I'm not looking for longs just because of the pressure of how heavy this pressure is to the downside on the market. So because of that heavy selling pressure here, the market ended up forming a 5-minute gap right here. We formed this 5-minute gap, and I'm explaining this 5-minute gap just to kind of show you guys here, because I did end up taking a sell. Now, looking back at it in hindsight, I should have never took this sell just because of we just already hit these lows, right? And the inversion that I was looking for was the 2-minute inversion here on those shorts. Right here, you can see we have that little bullish fair value gap that got inversed, and basically I ended up getting into this way too late. Way too late for me to even get like enough, like a good RR, even though I knew we were targeting these lows down here. I knew we were targeting these lows. These were the lows that I knew we were coming for. As soon as I seen the market, you know, kind of aggressively push past these previous day lows, I knew our main lows is going to be here, these weekly lows, okay, which is low resistance liquidity, as you also can see. So it was just a very strong draw of liquidity for us, okay? See, the market is still dropping lower, guys. We're coming for these lows right here, right? So let's get into the actual trade that we took, because that first trade that we took, we ended up closing out 50%. So we got a little bit of profit. I entered like right here, not 50%, but we ended up closing out, like cutting our losses around like right here, right? I ended up cutting my losses around like right here on this trade, seeing this bullish displacement candle into the gap. I didn't like that. And also the reason why is because I seen that we were forming a 15-minute gap. Now here's our special trade right here. Here's the trade that did it all for us. We have a 15-minute fair value gap right here, 15-minute fair value gap off of this bearish push. So obviously I'm looking to see how the market is going to respect this 15-minute. And let's zoom into that 15-minute. What do you see? So you see, as the market is trading into that 15-minute right here, what do we have? We have this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for the inverse of that, because we're respecting a 15-minute gap. In order for the market to respect this gap and for me to know that we're going to trade away from this gap, I need to see a change in order flow. For me, what I look for a change in order flow, I know some people would look for like a CISD, which would be right here, or for me personally, I look for an inversion, which is right here. You see this 5-minute got clearly inversed right here. Boom. 5-minute got clearly inversed. My stop loss was at the high. And then we took this trade down for a 1 to 2 right underneath these lows. As you guys saw, at the live trade, right? Pretty simple trade here. Just using this 15-minute gap and then using the inversion and just taking it lower. Another reason why we took this lower today is because we have SMT. So you can see we have 9:30 highs right here, and then we have this 10 a.m. 10:05 highs right here. Now if we go to ES, you can see we have 9:30 highs right here, right? This is our 9:30 highs, and then our 10:05, which is like right here. So you can see that there is definitely a SMT divergence between these two, and ES was also already sweeping liquidity. All right, so that's another reason why that gave me a really good confirmation to take shorts, alongside of that us tapping into a 15-minute and us getting, you know, that 5-minute inversion. So pretty nice trade here to pass the Topstep combine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like these little breakdown videos. I'm going to continue to do more and just kind of showing you guys how I'm taking these entries and what I'm looking for. Like and subscribe if you like the video. I'll see you guys in the next breakdown. Peace out.